Well, finally had some needed rain across the area yesterday. We got some healthy downpours, thunderstorms, lightning. It's been a while since we've seen a sky like that across the area, but boy, was it a good thing. We picked up on some heavier totals exactly where that brush fire was burning down in southern Miami-Dade County. You can see the bullseye here near the Homestead area. That's where we saw some of the heaviest of the rain. Broward County, you didn't see overly huge amount of rain, at least. Most of the activity was focused in Miami-Dade County, the Keys. You were fairly dry yesterday. Here are some of our highest rain reports, at least our preliminary reports that have been coming in across the area. Naranja down in South Miami-Dade County picked up about 2 inches of rain. East Homestead about an inch of rain yesterday. Areas like North Redlands just under that inch mark. Downtown Miami we picked up just over 3/4 of an inch, and areas like Coconut Grove picking up just under a half an inch of rain. So it's good to see the rain making a comeback. Of course, not the best for those that maybe are in from out of town or enjoying spring break. If you were out and about yesterday, you saw those storms roll on in, but the good news is today it is going to be a little bit drier. If you have plans to head out to the beach today, for those that are off on spring break, we've got a chance for a few spotty showers from about 1 o'clock through 4 o'clock today. The coverage is going to be much less than what we had yesterday, and I do think a lot of the storm activity is going to be focused inland anyway. We're currently off to a dry start. Shouldn't have any issues for your morning commute. We're tracking a front that's just to the north of us. It's a very weak front, but an area of high pressure out across the North Gulf Coast is going to start to shove this farther south, where eventually it will be bringing us a drop in humidity by tomorrow. Now today we're still on the warm, humid side of it, which means we could still be looking at some spotty showers and storms. That's what we're expecting as we head through this afternoon before that moves through tonight. So timing this out today, morning commute shouldn't be too bad. As we head into this afternoon, things begin to heat up. Here we go. By 1, 2, 3 o'clock, we'll start to see some of the showers and storms develop. Notice the coverage much less than what we had yesterday. I still think a few of us could see some beneficial rain, some weaker storms possible, not anticipating anything severe today. But because we will have a little bit more of a stronger breeze out of the northeast, it's going to help kind of push those off to the west. So coastal areas likely a little bit quieter. Our higher rain chances are going to be focused out across our western metro zones before we dry things out, and then humidity begins to drop as we head into tomorrow. That drier air bringing us a dry forecast. Thursday, Friday, we will be rain free. Now, unfortunately, the rain, it starts to make a comeback just in time for the weekend. Saturday right now, a few spotty showers and storms. Sunday continues to trend wetter and wetter. Right now, a 40% chance for showers and storms. That is up from yesterday. It does look like Sunday could have the potential of being fairly wet, fairly stormy, and will continue with a few showers and storms at least as we head into the end of March and kick off the month of April on Tuesday. Next weather 7-day forecast. Thursday, Friday, dry. It'll feel pretty nice. Thursday, you'll feel that humidity dropping throughout the day. Clouds clearing and sunshine returning in full force by the afternoon. Friday, partly cloudy and dry. Few showers and storms on Saturday and Sunday. That humidity back on the rise, along with those temperatures as we climb back into the middle 80s to end out the month.